shamaran hinjanne Oza, harka baale Nuti khane hidhane waltaane Oromummaa tokkummaa jimsiine Dargaggoo fi shamaran hinjanne Oza, harka baale
Most say the most truthful ain't worth it. Acting a different act. Tell me how it's working, cause it won't last.
Hey now pass me the kush, dog, yeah. Yeah, we better get a light tonight. Got the mollies in the Zans and the Percocet, yeah. Shawty wanna hit it, I'm in the trap business. Gonna strap on me so I bust back quicker. Money Percocet, got the money in the bit. That's the kind of lame-ish all you rappers spittin'. If you rap about God, now they label you a wussy. Rap about the hoes, now you getting all the. If a kid go to school, oh, he's a goody. But that ain't really cool, so they cheering for the bully. It's haram, bro. We say Allah in our songs and it's harmful. Mental health is on the rise and it's whose fault? I thought you knew, dog. It's rappers advertising drugs as the new cult. I'm giving God the credit. I'm Muslim, yeah, I said it. I'm here to spread the message.
I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, blessings of people live night together, fight together, really live life together. Don't let the little things separate you. I can never hate you. That's how they wanna place you. Don't you get it now? But at the end of the day, when I'm asked where I'm from, you gon' answer the question in the same way. Hey, you respect me, and I respect you. But if you can't respect me, then I'ma have to dead you. One party's like Malcolm X, militant, think quick, like the time of a blink. What would you do if a Bush was your only friend and you only 10, waiting to reload again? But on the other hand, there's a different stand. Like Dr. King, bring peace across the land. Two wrongs don't make a right, but freedom has no price. My whole life, I've been wandering off under the stars, waiting for the many applause. Been dealt plenty of cards, see my life, look in my blood, you'll know why I need this mic. You'll understand why I need this mic. Yeah, give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up. When you look into the mirror, what do you see? I see the will of a country, the will of my country. You can't take it from me. Put it in the pad and record it with Sunny. Look at what I have, cause it's more than money. My musical ambition is develop a movement. See this O in the air, don't confuse it. A new day revolution, so much deaths to prove it. So really is it love, or would you rather kill me? My lifestyle is mostly filthy, but if I find a way, then I won't be guilty. Clean money, buy me realty. You're the gift that no man can give me. The cat that I was, I still be. Who cares if you feel me? I'm keeping it real, B. It is what it is. No time to regret what you did. Freedom is power. Give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, give me liberty or give me death. I'ma fight till I ain't a thing in me left. O's up, no interest in beef, but if you can't show respect and lead, then may you rest in peace. I can't rest in peace until Oromo is free. We shall be free. Anything show we don't agree. The talent that I bring is past G's. Don't rest in a place that no man has seen. If I could take the risk, making a sale, giving O's that I'm sitting in jail, then why hesitate? Throw your O's up, interest in you. I wanna bring my whole revolutionary aims. Tears that they will never break. So I still believe in a better race. My destiny is worth forever lays.
I gotta thank God for the gift. So much that I gotta pray.
I know it's follow nobody, homie, I pay the way. I know follow nobody, homie,